don't get it.
You don't get it. So my drink channel.
Oh, say me in my opinion, me okay. Like in what basis? You're friend in what basis? Because what Ghana Premier League ache, and I said that is what na me person me here. And again, we hear the stage with clubs outside Ghana and Kwame. I think say time numpa na only Ghana no. The performance, yes, he was doing his best there. But at that age numpa na funny say oya young kakra Kwame. He couldn't make it to Ghana national team nana. You know, afina wa body obebo wi abafie e dey ahode kakra no e ba beboa Dreams FC no. Afina yem friend Black Stars because of so experience and answer say. I'm not getting it. You know, nanka Kofi echiremu yi a I think say nkabe boa ma argument so abamfa so. And again, say ba so folk omuni ni di nkomo ananti say
has di nkomo.
Kwame, last 2 seasons
or 33 years.
33 years. One our producer crazy. Oh, we were 33. Jordan I will say.
Jordan, I think on also.
Jordan was 33. 32. Check him today. Check him here hard. Check him here hard. Name fan castle. Why?
Jordan was 34 years.
Jordan was 34 years. You know, Jordan was 34 years. Kwame playing Europe. Ball games, you know. Kwame, yenya man for say yan drop Jordan. Me boy.
Say be a performance ni we di mfa.
At the end and you know obe choose Jonanchi ahead of Jordan ana.
It depends on training on by any coach or
Kwame enya no credit. Argument you can me from him. Me from him. Into a player or a captain. Apple ball Europe. 34. Yenya man for say no. Unfortunately means because emre no aso. A player playing Ghana Premier League. What did fear 33? Kwame, o say the experience and I didn't go finding question Black Stars name. Na the OG goal kill last season onya say onya how many goals? I Bibiani goals stars anamwa. Check one. Check one. Someone attack me. Onu kra no ye fi no Kwame. A player or in his element.
Element bay.
Kwame. Obia the Ghana Premier League goal king as 6 goals. 6 goals. Ebias wo yememu a. Ebias kwa the last time you bay. Onkai. Engine a player onya 6 goals. Oji goal king Kwame. Onumpo ya fino. Ye hu ni say the performance ninge. And also when deserve Black Stars call up. Meanwhile, Kwame, he scored goals more than your strikers in the World Cup in now.
Onya 18 goals. 18
goals. Your strikers no more any money in the World Cup. Kwame ki komu goals boom say Drew a bro goals a brand. And I think say Semenyo nene ben no kakra because of the goals or Shema Manchester City. Apart from Semenyo no ben kakra no. Omo maka nyina ki komu goals boom how many goals are Kwame omo share. Never compare some latakumi. But on umpono, you see, on deserve we say be friend Black Stars into your friend. Na Kwame, a player, or ball. So last 2 seasons, that was when now Dreams airball friend say CAF Champions League, you know. Sorry, CAF Confederation. Kwame, he scored 4 goals and 2 assists. Oba League ni muswa or share 4 goals, and 2 assists. And in all competition, he scored 8 goals with 4 assists. But what I say? And now, last season, the boy says here, Kwame, John Antwi, share 5 goals with 2 assists. Make up for Black Stars or quite a bit of folk with the anymore. Because has to focus say, we are interested in signing.
Interested.
Intino Kwame. Yes. Or share 5 goals, 2 assists for Dreams FC. Kwame Oko Hamza Isa on the striker Dima has of Meboa. Kwame Hamza last 2 seasons. 5 goals with 2 assists. Last season, on 5 goals, Kwame, 1 assist. now Frank Aboraduku
player no share kotokwa amakosan
onusi has striker meboa
share kotokwa amakosan
onuso enya 2 goals
striker
our Ghana Premier League nim for us to folk now their top scorer eya branch your friend Mawuli Wayo Kwame Mawuli Wayo nya 9 goals with 1 assist
Mawuli Wayo
yes
10 goals involvement
yes meaning say he is the best player for us to folk our upfront one mentesa now say who they compare I mean a branch your friend John Antwi Kwame or they a branch your friend Hamza Isa Kwame I'm sure say I mean there is no difference because John Antwi enya 5 goals with 2 assists Hamza enya 5 goals 0 assists difference o me assist John Antwi di mai anantisa intino I'm sure say difference be anymore the only difference I mean kasa the only difference
na difference ni ba
say o hwe goals o ma share o hwe goals o me no asa difference o me dey difference be anim the only difference is that or 2 assists but Kwame senei o hwe amumienu dia na I think say the only difference I would be choose abrantie I mean John Antwi eye ni experience na atakora kan wo hai because about experience there at least obi eche Hamza ba si yenhye goals yes you can make a case for John Antwi because o share chances be a branch friend Hamza Isa Kwame anomaly otasena at least me giri say John Antwi no onyamu half obetimi utilize but see a cost start ni goals or more share Kwame there is no difference because 5 goals there I think say ya the crop and you hear so Kwame onyini but looking at House of Folk Kwame omo performance any season a etwa mu ya Kwame clearly shows that say omo anye team ni ye and omo find players Kwame mbebo team na any striker bi obeba House of Folk bia Kwame will find issues striker bi obeba House of Folk bia Kwame obenya issues
adentia
I mean say omo anye ni omo ye na performance omo de man no say omo an change omo nyoma kakra we striker na ba House of Folk obenya issues
na onye sure say midfielders ni ade wo ball mo de by strikers e wo so na mo de ntimi nche goals no
ntino se na ba sa dia is John Antwi someone obe solve House of Folk a problem na say you can say dia
oh but the say Mawuli Wayo say
o say 9 yeah 9 1 assist
meaning say omo midfielders na won finfini adwuma ma no right
that midfielders no opa check is say here assist on we adwuma ma why as we assist me
yeah we say dia wo ka say o ma anya midfield na ho yi a
striker bi anya team ni because Kwame one midfielders no they are not feeding strikers no like as in yama assist no and cause anytime say ene so ma anya team ya striker bi ade ne be bia including John Antwi Kwame or dani wo bebre because they don't create I mean chances from the midfield and from I mean strikers no and goals yes omunya chances all right wani mu honom ba kwambusa an say emududo say any midfield one mo eko but my point is Kwame if you want I mean player obe solve goals issues ama wani mu wa
nye John Antwi
personally I won't go for John Antwi. Yes.
Currently in the league, why not go for? The best Evans a striker. All league ni more share more goals now.
We there be members on your league ni kwa.
Hasn't got out. Is that what you mean? Oh sure, possible, but this nobody call out now. What there? What be sound?
But me say me imagine am actually, and I'm saying that if you want someone to solve as a folk goal scoring issues me personally I won't go for John Antwi because of one Kwame age yes and again House of Folk performance as a whole he's not the man Kwame obetimi abe save House of Folk experience re there e wo ho ye behia but Kwame Ghana Premier League player wabo 33 on his card on his age there Kwame personally I won't go for him But one thing I had when you say over the years, has of folk echo outside kofa. I mean, your friend say echo outside kofa. Defenders ba Kwame Okoye, midfielders Okoye, but strikers, the name the or scouting strikers and them has of folk. Meaning strikers no kwa ba Kwame Mfa. Meaning, you know. And you see, I want to know, yeah, say, bet, well, in German 24, so many, but maybe your opinion of the Kwame. If you want someone to solve your goal scoring issues, when him or no, maybe I won't go for John Antwi. No, not at all. I won't go for him. Again, Kwame, I crave some many yako. Asante Koroko.